Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Solana Sol Daily Update. We are going to see the next targets and explain the price action. Let's start right down with saying that Solana probably is making an institutional gap. And what is an institutional gap? I have repeated that multiple times, but in case we have new viewers right here, an institutional gap is when institutions push the price upside or downside, okay? But in our case, because we are going to have probably another bearish movement, we go a little bit upside. You can see on the weekly frame, institutions get into a short position right here, and then they push the price down. Let me just analyze what is an institutional gap. For example, right here, you can see this price action. This is the institutional gap, okay? This right here, going to just zoom in a little bit. Okay, so you can see this whole rectangle is the institutional gap. Institutions, okay, get in at this price range and then they push the price down. Okay, getting into a short position and then they make more money. It's like getting at the top, having the perfect short positions. It is very likely that we are having the same, right? For Solana right here, we are having the same. And why is that? We are going lower into the lower time frames and go in the daily frame. For example, right here, we are going to see that we are probably have a bearish pennant formation, or you can say a descending triangle. I will stay with a bearish pennant, okay? Some people would argue this is a descending because we have kind of the same bottoms, but anyway, I will just call it that this is a bearish pennant. Here is the bearish pennant formation I am seeing personally right now with Solana. And of course, I'm going to the targets right now. Before I do that, I want to remind you to join our monthly subscription. Now is the time to join team. Now is the time to enter the market. You will get easy profits. Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Let's see right now Solana against USDT chart. In the daily scale right here, we might be going further down, going to 10 USDT. Now, in this correction that we might see during this week maybe, so for example, from tomorrow, we are going to start correcting, right? From maybe Friday, okay? I think that during this week we are going to see the correction going on, but anyway, during this time we are probably going to go further down. Now many analysts right here are doing this thing, okay? They are getting the top and the bottom of this and they are putting it right here. This is kind of wrong, okay? Never do that, but anyway, it is possible that Solana can meet the lows of 9 USDT. It's like what you hear right now. It can even go to 9 USDT. It could be having a breakdown, it could be going even lower. Now you could argue that, oh, Bill, look at what we have right here. We are having the RSI, right? We are having the lower highs and the higher lows right here, but someone would argue that we are having also a very nice and low risk. Look at that, okay? So we are having the RSI below the 30s multiple times. Isn't it the time that we are breaking above? Unfortunately, it isn't always that case, okay? It isn't always that risk metrics are showing us that we are going, for example, if the RSI is in an oversold situation, it isn't always the case that we are going down. For example, right here in the RSI, we are forming a bearish pennant, right? You can see that, okay? Bearish pennant formation. So we are seeing formations in the risk metrics as well. Okay, so you can see and you can check it out that the RSI right now is probably going to correct more. And we might be having something like this, right? And then we go upwards, for example, okay? So definitely I'm expecting a bearish movement. In the lower time frames, you can see it clearly that we are having this lower high, higher low system right here, that it doesn't help the crypto coins, okay? It doesn't help the crypto coins. Usually we see a correction coming in. Now, when I anticipate this correction to take place, I would say if I had to make a guess right here, seeing the technical analysis and the price analysis, I would say that within the next 3 days, okay, I would say 3 days until Saturday, we are going to have the correction for Solana going all the way back down to retest lower support levels going probably further down on the 10 USDT, but let's draw our very nice tool, the fib retracement, and you can see that the 11 USDT will be the first support level that we will reach for Solana. The 11 USDT will be the first one to test for Solana, and of course, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.